Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. In today's video, we are bringing you unique and beautiful bridal bouquet ideas that you will surely love. Bridal bouquets are available in many different colors to suit your individual style and theme. The most popular wedding bouquets are ivory, white, cream, and silver. That trend in every season. Also some special items like pearl, metal flowers, rings, necklace, earring, and crystal are used to design the bridal bouquets. To make it more special. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and express your opinion in comment section.